Hello, YouTube. How are you today? Good, I'm not. I'm assuming you said well or good or something of the sort to my question. So this is my second video. Not sure if this is a interesting topic to talk about. However, I'm doing it because it's here. It happened. I'm pissed. And it's something, okay? So get off my back, all right? Kidding. So today, earlier this morning, I was working on a paper, 4:30 in the morning. So had class at 8 a.m., but who goes to 8 a.m.? So I didn't go. Went to my 10:50 class, so I had to wake up at 10 o'clock. So therefore, henceforth, because by doing, I got approximately 5 hours of sleep, right? So go to class until 3 o'clock. Tired as all sorts of fuck. Eyes drooping during my last class. So I come to my dorm room here in Grosso Hall on the west side campus of Western Connecticut State University. Go to take a nap, right? In my nice 5-inch fucking thick fucking mattress pad. I was like, oh, I'm going to have a nice sleep. I'm going to have a nice nap. Nice cat nap. Beauty sleep, if you will. So, sleep. Fall asleep. Oh, let's go to, maybe an hour. Got back at 4:30. Set my alarm for 5:30. Good hour cat nap, right? Set my alarm. No sooner do I fall asleep into a deep trance. You have a fire alarm. Now, you have your different fire alarms. One may or may not be something to the effect of boop, 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 boop. The other may or may not be something to the effect of right? No. Here at Western Connecticut State University, our fire alarms, the aim of these fire alarms is to make you shit yourself. Yeah, right? So, I'm sleeping. I no sooner fall asleep, get awoken, whatever the fuck the term is for the word, by this. Now, I was having a very nice dream with females. You men out there may or may not, if you are straight, relate with me. If you're having a dream about some nice females, why would you want to be woken up by... Who is calling me? Shut your mouth. So, I no sooner get outside, and I'm like, oh, I hear sirens. Maybe this thing is fucking legit. Right? No sooner do the fucking fire department get here, they fucking leave, and I'm like, ow. Some guy just decided to be a fucking asshole. So, I'm wondering if people think, when they do these activities that set off the fire alarm. Here, let me go into my enclosed room where I cannot remove the screen from the window and smoke the pot. Yes, a sprinkler right above my head. Oh, okay. Logic. Let me be really good at making myself look pretty and straighten my hair. And by straighten my hair, I mean singe all of my tips. Just singe them. Set off the fire alarm. Or hey, let me be really good at cooking. Like Iron Chef. Thing you didn't know about that Iron Chef, they didn't even qualify, and they're burning their shit in the room. So sorry if this is a little vulgar, guys, but stupidity just, I don't like it. It doesn't sit well in the stomach of Sigfire 13. So I apologize again. This is a boring video. I just feel like I needed to get that off my chest. My chesticles, my pectoralis. So, like I've said before, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon, YouTubers, okay? Thank you. Goodbye.